joining us today at our Broaster test kitchen. This is our VF-3 ventless fryer with the built-in Ansel, and it does not require a hood system. It will fry up to 3 pounds of product per batch. It has our built-in Smart Touch screen controller with programmable library of frying presets. Simply hit a button and the basket will automatically lower, and once that timer runs out, it will automatically come back up and you just take the frying product straight out. So it's fully automatic. Great for entertaining venues like bars, bowling alleys, pool halls, small cafes, food trucks, and any place else that does not want to go through the expense of adding a hood system. Hey guys, today we are going to do wings, the big topic with everyone who has a fryer. So these are pre-breaded pecan smoked wings, so we are hoping they will taste really good. So let's start frying them. We're going to take out our fry basket. Simply put the wings on there. And we're going to want to make sure they're evenly distributed. This is about 3 pounds of wings. And we are going to put them inside. And simply we're selected at jumbo spicy wings, but does not matter. But they are going to have an 11-minute and 30-second cook time. Okay guys, so our wings are done. We're going to take it out. Once again, the handle is warm to the touch, but not hot. They're fried to perfection. And now we're going to sauce them. As you can see, we tossed our wings. We have honey mustard wings, we have buffalo wings, we have teriyaki with some parsley flakes, and then we have barbecue wings. So even though you're just frying a basic wing, you can add any sauce to it, create your own, what you think your customer wants, and it can be an incredible menu with a fryer that does not require a hood system.